Hey everyone, welcome back and good morning. So we have a new day and we are expecting the decision today. So it's already about 10:45, 11 o'clock, and in a couple of hours we should be able to hear from the Supreme Court as to what exactly they have decided to do with the cryptocurrency exchanges, specifically the RBI. So a very important day, I must say. There's a lot that depends on today's hearing and today's decision and outcome. So I'm as curious to know as you all are as to what exactly the decision comes out. So I'm definitely looking forward to it, and I hope you are too. The next one I want to talk about yesterday, the Aadhaar card hack. So UIDAI's Aadhaar software has been hacked. The ID database has been compromised and the experts has confirmed it. Now, I'm not really sure how, because none of the news media I didn't hear talking about this stuff. And also these kind of things are which are not really shared on the social media much. But this came out yesterday, and to be honest, this is a very serious issue if this has happened, because it lets anyone do three things. Basically, anyone can go ahead and create an unauthorized Aadhaar number, like a fake Aadhaar number. And secondly, they can create it from any location, right? I mean, that is how the Aadhaar card really works, that you have to be physically present to give your biometric information, but that's not required with this hack. And thirdly, there can be done a spoofing of the photographs, right? So it's one of the biggest issue, I think, right now. I haven't heard much on how far this is true, but experts have confirmed this. But this is also goes to show why the centralized database is such a risky thing, and that's why the blockchain can play an important role, and that is why we are talking about blockchain, Bitcoin. Today banks can be hacked, but Bitcoin protocol cannot be hacked. So you can see the difference between a centralized data structure and the decentralized data structure. Not only it saves people from the manipulation, but also there's a lot of security issues that can be resolved by having a decentralized database, specifically blockchain. The other use case that I was reading this morning was tokenized security, the next boom. And this is in news.bitcoin.com that says the next boom is coming into the stock market, because the whole stock market will be put on blockchain. So basically, just like these companies issue shares, right, individual shares, you can go ahead and issue tokens on the Ethereum blockchain, right? So it's the same thing. The good thing is that it's digital, and it can be traded more easily and conveniently other than the stock market. The problem here is this, however, it won't be the same as cryptocurrency market. I mean, cryptocurrency market, whatever $1 billion it is today, but I think if you're bringing in $1 trillion stock market, that will have a different perspective altogether, because we don't see that kind of volatility in the stock market, and most of the stocks are driven by the company's performance. And so the excitement, even if you're bringing the stock market onto the blockchain, and instead of issuing shares, you're issuing the tokens, it would not have the same kind of interest from the community as the cryptocurrencies have, in my opinion, even though the market size will get much bigger than what it is right now. That's what I think. Yeah, so there is more if you want to read about this. And the last one I want to share is that Coinbase is expanding. So Coinbase has added 500 more members. They have expanded their team to 500 members. So this is something also very interesting to see, that the bear market, we are into the bear market for sure. Right from January to 2018, the market has lost about 70% of its value. But the ICOs have been panicking a lot, selling off and being into loss. But when it comes to exchanges, they are all making money. And the reason why, because the exchanges actually earn on the trading fee. So it doesn't matter how bad the market is, people are still trading, right? So these like exchanges like Binance, BitMEX and Coinbase are still developing and are still growing despite being the bear market right now in this phase. So this is quite significant, to be honest, right? The big players, the big companies aren't affected at all. I think the only people who are affected are obviously investors, retail investors, and startups which have raised funds and things like that. So yeah, this is what I wanted to share. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what do you think about utility tokens like stock market being the blockchain. Do you think it is as exciting as the cryptocurrency market itself? Because I wouldn't see that kind of volatility in the stock market. And I'm looking forward to this decision today. And hopefully, I think it should be coming in the first half of the day. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the like, dislike. If you're new, my name is Shiv. Subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Take care.